The term batshit crazy is actually scientifically plausible. Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Toker. I'm your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon and talking about microbiome today, and a particular research study that we can use to improve our lives involved taking rats that were crazy and rats that were not crazy. And then if you took the little poo pellets from the crazy rats and fed them, and that is gross, but anyway, the rats, and fed it to the normal rats would become crazy. What this demonstrates is that the neurotransmitters in your body are created by your microbiome. And we already know when your neurotransmitters are out of whack, you're mentally not going to be at the soundest of health. Psychologists are actually using this information to do microbiome transplants, fecal transplants in their patients who are very difficult to treat with medicines, in particular, the schizophrenics and the autistic patients respond beautifully to fecal transplantation. Now, in the United States, that's not yet approved for FDA approval. However, I will tell you, if you're not in this extreme, but you have anxiety, depression, difficulty focusing, if your children are ADD or have autism, one of the ways you can help support yourself or your family in normal neurotransmitters is going to be by straightening out your microbiome. This is one of the reasons I highly suggest something called microbiome testing. Follow the advice with that microbiome testing as far as your diet is concerned. By cleaning up your diet, by helping broaden the microbiome, you can improve the amount of neurotransmitters your body creates on its own, and then therefore make it easier to control some of the mental difficulties you may be having that perhaps you're relying on medication for. For more advice on the microbiome, go to my website, drannatoker.com, look under resources, and find our free wellness program called the Microbiome Two-Step. It teaches you all about the microbiome in a very short little video series. Doesn't cost you anything, and I hope you give it a look.